As you know, the White House recently released its proposed budget for the upcoming fiscal year. It includes sharp cuts in spending to our nation's heartland. And as Ylan Mui tells us now, one Kansas farmer is growing concerned.
Derek Sawyer's family has been farming in McPherson County, Kansas for 4 generations. They grow wheat, corn, and soybean. They raise cattle, and they even have horses. All that is possible, Sawyer says, because of the federal crop insurance program.
Crop insurance has always been a big part of what we do, more for the assurance that if we have a disaster, that it will help cover the cost of production. It's definitely not a program that we're going to get rich over.
But President Trump's latest budget axes agriculture programs. $28 billion from crop insurance, nearly $6 billion from conservation efforts, $650 million from direct subsidies to farmers. The grand total, $38 billion. White House Budget Director Mick Mulvaney agrees that crop insurance is critical to farmers, but he says that's exactly why they don't need a big subsidy to get them to buy it. He also recently told lawmakers that the administration is helping small-town America by rolling back regulations.
Farmers are farmers, and they want to grow stuff, and they want to be productive. They don't want to be paper pushers who try and figure out how the federal government is going to punish them for doing something that they thought was right.
Still, some Republicans are crying foul. Senator Pat Roberts of Kansas and Representative Michael Conaway of Texas oppose these cuts. They're the chairman of the 2 agriculture committees in Congress, and they've pledged to protect farmers' safety net.
This is amazing.
The president's budget is just the starting point for negotiation. Many farm states voted for Trump, and Sawyer said he's hopeful that means the White House will listen to people like him.
We knew there wasn't a perfect candidate, and honestly, there never really is. But what I believe in is smaller federal government, more local control, and fiscal responsibility. And, I feel that we can really work with the president through his new Secretary of Agriculture, Sonny Perdue.
Yet the administration has already disappointed some farmers on issues like trade and immigration. They're hoping that cutting crop insurance won't end up being the final straw. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Ylan Mui in Washington.